friends, today let's talk about home equity line of credit. So what is a home equity line of credit? It's also known as HELOC, H-E-L-O-C. It's a line of credit secured by a home that gives you a revolving credit used for large expenses which you are thinking you will be having regularly, and you can maybe even consolidate lots of debt into one loan. So what is the terms? Where do you get it? Okay, banks can give you a HELOC loan. All the major banks do it. In state of Texas, where we are, you have to have equity in your house, minimum of 20% before you can tap into the home equity. What does equity mean? Equity means that whatever your loan balance was, suppose you took a loan of $200,000 and now you only owe $100,000. That means you have 50% of equity in your house, and now out of that 50% you can tap into taking the money out. But what is the collateral? Your home. So be careful, but it is an excellent tool without going crazy. If you are expecting some medical expenses, you want to help your grandkids for the tuition, you want to help your daughter in her sickness or something, your husband, anybody. So basically, that's the equity you have collected and you can tap into it. There are rules and regulations. Do call your bank. Now let's talk about some benefits. The benefit is that it's one loan, one company you pay instead of making various payments. Plus, you may not even have saved money in your savings account for tough time, which we all come across in our life, right? It's a curveball thrown at you. You want some money. I had a client who had come to my bank when I used to be a mortgage banker. She needed money desperately for her husband's cancer treatment because some of it was not covered by the insurance, and she didn't have any savings. This was an excellent tool. We could give her HELOC, which is home equity line of credit. So the best part about it, whatever you pay off, say suppose you make a draw, you are approved for $50,000. You don't have to take all the $50,000 at once. Whatever their terms and conditions are, that your minimum draw has to be $5,000, $10,000, whatever it is, you only tap into that and you only make a payment on the amount you drew. And the amount you pay off again goes back to the revolving line of credit. So it's a line of credit open for you in any time. That's a great benefit, and a lot of people keep that line of credit open for years and years. What's the interest rate? Is it a fixed rate? Yes to both. It starts with, it will be given to you at, the rate is decided by the bank upfront. It will tell you prime plus 1%. So whatever the prime rate is, plus 1% or 2%. Sometime it was prime minus 1%. All depends on the time you are taking. You have secured that line of credit. Make sure you secure the line of credit for you when the interest rates are low. Well, now if you draw the amount, your payment will start every month and you will make a payment to the bank. And just like any other, you will make a small payment against it, and you'll have the big benefit to make a big payment about something big instead of tapping into your retirement account. Because if you tap into your retirement account earlier than your retirement age, you have to pay 5% penalty. That's what I know. Every 401k account could be different condition. So please check with your 401k. So can I ever make it fixed? Yes, you can. When you draw the amount, say you drew $25,000, you can ask your bank, instead of prime, which I think is fluctuating a lot, and you are suspecting the interest rates are going to go up, then you may want to ask them to make it fixed, and they will give you a fixed percent loan. Of course, it will be slightly higher than the revolving or the changing loan, but this way it will be fixed, and you will know, and you will be able to put that in your budget and make that regular payment for the term of your loan. Would you need an appraisal? Yes, bank will do the appraisal. They have their own system. Will I pay any closing cost fee? The best part on home equity line of credit in state of Texas, does not have any fee passed on to the consumer. Bank absorbs that fee, appraisal fee, closing cost fee, everything. So your home equity line of credit has no expenses at all for you when you take the home equity line of credit. I don't know if you have more questions. I will be covering up next time what is a home equity loan, which is a one-time, and I'll talk about the benefits, good and bad, compare it with home equity line of credit. But if you have questions before I do my video, please shoot me a question. I'm an active agent in Houston metro area and would love to help you or your friends buy, sell, or invest the properties. I'm Sonal Shah and this is my channel. Please hit subscribe and like and comment. Thank you. See you next week.